Hey boys and girls, today we are going to read this story, Superstorms by Seymour Simon. And this story has real photographs and it is informational text. Can you all say that with me? Informational text. And the reason that author writes informational text is to give you facts or information about a topic. As a former science teacher, Seymour Simon loves to visit classrooms and talk with students. Those visits sometimes help him decide what to write about next. Mr. Simon has written about everything from bats, bears, and bugs to snakes, sharks, and spiders. Ugh. Of more than 200 books he has written, the paper airplane book is one of his favorites. Ooh, that sounds like that'd be interesting. Might need to check that book out. Superstorms. The air around us is always moving and changing. We call these changes weather. Storms are sudden, violent changes in weather. Every second, hundreds of thunderstorms are born around the world. Thunderstorms are heavy rain showers. Whoops. They can drop millions of gallons of water in just 1 minute. Whoa. Guess that's why we have flash floods. Look at that one. That one always kind of scares me a little bit. During a thunderstorm, lightning bolts can shoot between clouds and the ground. Lightning can destroy a tree or a small house. It can also start fires in forests and grasslands. Thunder is the sound lightning makes as it suddenly heats the air. You can tell how far away lightning is. Count the seconds between the flash of light and the sound of thunder. 5 seconds equal 1 mile. That's why sometimes when you all go to the public swimming pool and when they hear thunder and they say lightning, they'll make you get out because it's usually pretty close if you can hear it or see it. Hailstones are chunks of ice that are tossed up and down by the winds of some thunderstorms. Hail can be the size of a marble or larger than a baseball. Nearly 5,000 hailstorms strike the United States every year. They can destroy crops and damage buildings and cars. I don't think I've ever seen any as big as a baseball, but I think I have seen some about the size of a quarter. Thunderstorms sometimes give birth to tornadoes. Dun, dun, dun. Inside a storm, a funnel-shaped cloud reaches downward. Winds inside a tornado can spin faster than 300 miles per hour. These winds can lift cars off the ground and rip houses apart. Ugh. Tornadoes always scare me. Look at that. Right here. Like in the red and the orange, that's where you have the most of the tornadoes. And we're right here. We're like in probably 3 to 4 a year maybe. And then less than 1 a year. Or maybe 1 to 2 a year. Just depends on how orange it is in there. But even one's more than I want. And right over here you have a number of tornadoes in the United States. Less than 1 every 2 years. 1 to 2 a year. 3 to 4 a year, 5 to 6 a year, more than 6 a year. So I really wouldn't want to be in that red or the dark orange at all. I guess ours would probably be like close to 1 to 2 a year. More than 1,000 tornadoes strike the United States each year. Most of them form during spring and summer. Television and radio stations often give early alerts. A tornado watch means that one may strike during the next few hours. So if you're just watching it, it means there's a possibility that it may happen. A warning means a tornado has been seen by people or on a radar. So a warning means somebody's seen it somewhere. So it's actually happening. During a tornado warning, you should find shelter in a basement or a closet. How many of you guys practice like what to do during a tornado? I'm glad we don't live in one of these red or orange, dark orange areas. Ugh. Hurricanes are the deadliest storms in the world. They kill more people than all other storms combined. Hurricanes stretch for hundreds of miles. They have winds between 74 and 200 miles per hour. The eye of the hurricane is the quiet center of the storm. Inside the eye, the wind stops blowing, the sun shines, and the sky is blue. But beware, the storm is not over yet. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And here is what it looks like. And right there's the eye. Might look calm in there, but look all around. And you can see it up here. Ugh. Hurricanes are born over warm ocean waters from early summer to mid-fall. When they finally reach land, their pounding waves wash away beaches, boats, and houses. Their howling winds bend and uproot trees and telephone poles. Their heavy rains can cause floods. Ooh. Blizzards are huge snowstorms. They have winds of at least 35 miles per hour. Usually at least 2 inches of snow falls per hour. Temperatures are at 20 degrees or lower. Falling and blowing snow can make it hard to see in a blizzard. And I think we've had a few of those here. I don't know if most of y'all are old enough to remember one, but we've had a couple blizzards here. I'm not a fan of snow and blizzards. Ugh. No one can prevent storms, but weather reports can predict and warn us when a storm may hit. The more prepared we are, the safer we will be when the next one strikes. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.